Anybody that knows the price of hot tub covers, these hot tub covers probably about $1,500 to $2,000 Canadian anyway. It's a pain in the butt to keep on taking it off all the time. This customer here built this cover for it and a lifter that's hydraulic. Here's another look. This is crazy setup. Like a hoist. There's cables up there. You can just turn it on, up or down. I don't think he has power to it, but so it's up right now. We're gonna get it rigged up. I'm gonna put it down. You can go down or can go up. Goes all the way to the top there. And also what he's done, he has safety pins on all the corners. So he'll put them on so it doesn't fall down. Built this roof above it so the snow load can't go on it. And there's that lifter there.